Okay, sound. Rolling 3. Action.
Hello, hi, and welcome to one more exciting episode of Desi Muffins Production presents Ouch Couch with Lipsa in association with Oberoi Bakers and Cafe. So, Sabbu Thora Bhari, Aji I have someone super exciting with me, someone who has a amazing fan base. Not just that, she has won hearts with Bahut Sara grace, with a lot of sweetness, and of course, she's a diva. So please put your hands together for none other than Poonam Mishra. Hi Poonam, how are you?
Hello, I'm absolutely fine. How are you?
I'm good too. I'm good too. So finally, we actually sit
Yeah,
together.
yeah,
Both
we
in the
actually
planning
made,
for it.
yeah.
We actually sat together, and Aji, as you all know, बहुत सारा secrets reveal होगा कुछ आउची. बहुत सारा questions that we all wanted to know about, and जहाँ भी I'm sure अपन मानो को मन भी questions थे बस ये सब Aji एक show रे reveal होगा. So you will get to know Poonam a little more than you already know. So time waste kariban and let's begin with the questions.
Sure.
Already. All right. So Poonam, we all know you are a very talented actress and you have won hearts. बहुत लोग को माने तुमको appreciate करी चंती बहुत बेसी भल पाइबा देख चंती.
Thank you.
They have made Poonam Mishra who she is
Yeah.
today. But केबे wonder करी छो जदि तुम actress न होई थान तो कौन होई थान तो?
ମୁଁ engineering करची.
Okay.
So of course जदि maybe actress ही न थांती ताले भी job करथांती.
Acha, okay, a job holder. So,
Yeah.
which life do you think is better? Like
This
job
one,
or-
of course this one because I love it.
Okay.
So ସବୁବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିଛି ଯେ ଯୋଉ କାମଟା ତମେ actually enjoy କର ସେଇଟାକୁ କରିବ ତ
it
ସେଟା
doesn't feel like you're working.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So, Poonam, if someday you're upset or you're distressed, कि मनो बिल्कुल भी भल नहीं, where would you just run to? What is your getaway place?
of course ଘରେ ଥିଲେ ମାମା ପାଖକୁ because ତାଠୁ ଭଲ ତ of course ମୋତେ କେହି ବୁଝି
You are a
ପାରିବେନି.
mama's girl. Like
Yeah, I am. Or else my best friend Swikriti, bubbly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Best friend. All right. So, what is your take on friendship? Have you ever been, like dejected in friendship? कि friendship रे के betrayal or something?
Many a
Friendship
times.
वाला है. Many times.
Many a times.
Okay. So, is it that you make friends?
I'm an
often?
actually emotional fool.
So am I. Give me 5.
So मते एमती like ସେଇଦିନ ହିଁ last time ଯେବେ ଦେଖାଇଥିଲେ we are talking
Yes,
about this
yes,
only.
yes. That
ଆମକୁ
night out.
exactly
That
yeah
crazy
that
night
night
out.
out
Yes.
कि ଆମକୁ ଯଦି 2 minutes ଆମ ସାଙ୍ଗେ कि बहुत बढ़िया से behave କରିବ
Yes.
like
we are all there.
yeah actually.
जोचे के लिए.
So ମୁଁ ସେମିତି କରିକି ନା ବହୁତ ଥର ଫସିଛି ବହୁତ ଥର.
Okay. So friends बनेबा बंद करछो ना?
Actually ना no not exactly. ଏବେ ତ ମୁଁ ମାନେ ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଲକଡାଉନ ରେ ଗୋଟେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ଆସିଛି ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ଏଇ ସବୁରୁ actually ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେଇଛି ଏଇ फ्रेंड्स ବନେଇବା କାହାକୁ ଟ୍ରଷ୍ଟ କରିବା ଆଉ ତ ନୁହଁ.
All right. Okay. So never ever. All right. Okay. So coming back to your work, I'm pretty sure कि industry रे बहुत सारा ways थिबो that you like and industry बहुत सारा ways थिबो that you don't really like.
Yeah.
So बहुत थर एमती हुए that a project is finalized, सब कुछ all set, you are set for the role. जो थरे कि you actually put in a lot of hard work, you know. So every character is a new story.
Yeah,
So केबे
definitely.
एमती हेचे that you have actually put in a lot of hard work, you are all set and सब कुछ जिनसो बिल्कुल ready था, but then you are rejected at the last moment or the role is taken from you or someone else is featured. केबे एमती हेची
ଚାରିଥର ହେଇଛି ଏମିତି.
चारि थर.
फर्स्ट गोटे फिल्म रे मु कॉस्ट्यूम किन सारथली आई हैव गॉन टू दैट व्हाट स्क्रिप्ट रीडिंग एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग आउ गोटे रे मु जाइकी आमे माने लिटरली जाइकी ना सेठी वर्कशॉप करिछु आउ गोटे रे मो एग्रीमेंट भी कर सारथली द दिस इज फोर्थ टाइम मो संगति हे सच सो नथिंग न्यू फॉर मी.
All right, but how does it affect you? See,
Of
for
course.
an actor, as far as I know, I think it's a very big deal.
लाइक लिप्सा सी तुमको जदि बटे इवेंट की गोटे शो गोटे कोन तयाई थिबा अचानक से लाइक तमे पूरा प्रॉपर प्लान करिकी इवन लोकेशन रे पहुंचला परे जे तुमको सेमती मना करा जिवो तो फर्स्ट
Location पे पहुंच लगा.
हाँ लोकेशन रे पहुंचला परे
Okay.
एंड यू हैव योर एग्रीमेंट विथ यू.
How do you deal with it? It takes
फर्स्ट टाइम आई वाज इन बीटेक फर्स्ट ईयर आई गेस.
Okay.
सो से टाइम रे एते मोर मैच्योरिटी लेवल आसी नथले जे मैं सब डील करबी. सो ट्रस्ट मी लिप्सा मु 2 मंथ्स कॉलेज जाई पार नथली. बट तापरे मु यूज टू हेगली मतलब हाँ चलो मूवी जे तो आसुची मो देपन शूट न माने पूरा न सरुची मुझे हाँ पता नहीं कोई मोमेंट रे बाहर कर दे परंत.
Right. So who do you think is responsible for that mostly? Is it the production unit?
Yeah, of course the
side-
production unit. Of course the production unit.
All right, all right. So okay, but I think if if you're going until the last stage, तमे उटे last stage पर्यंत जाओ छो, everything is ready and then things change overnight. So do you think actors and actresses should also be, you know, like careful ki at least when someone else has gone that far, they should also make sure कि ସେମାନେ easily available have any
exactly
can change be brought back.
exactly I remember ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ film କରିଥାନ୍ତି and ସେ film ରେ due to some reason ସେଟା ବି ମୁଁ କହିବି due to some reason ସେ movie ଟା ମୁଁ କଲିନି ମୁଁ ମୋ ଆଡୁ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ଆଉଟ୍ କଲି and ସେଟା ମୋ ପରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ actress ପାଖକୁ ଗଲା ସେ movie ଟା offer ସେ actress କ ମାମା ସେ ବି industry ର ଗୋଟେ part तो सी पचारे जेतु काली दिन सारा मैं पेपर से देखुतलु जे पूनम मिश्र वाज देयर इन द मुहूर्त पूनम मिश्र वाज देयर इन द प्रेस मीट ताले आज काहे पूनम मिश्र कलानी तो से मानते को ब्ला 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 रिजन टा देले बट थैंक्स टू द प्रोडक्शन टीम से माने सत्य रिजन टा देले से आंटी कहली रख 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 फोन रख आ भूल से मुझे को कॉल करिवनु सो मते सेठी माने कोड बहुत खुशी फील होला कि एटलीस्ट से माने पचरले रिजन टा कि कोन पई गोटे एक्ट्रेस बैक आउट कला लास्ट मोमेंट रे कि कोन पई तमे माने गोटे एक्ट्रेस को लास्ट मोमेंट रे बाहर कला मूवी रु आउट ऑफ नो रीजन सो सेटा एक्चुअली रहिबा दरकार इवन काली को जदी मते भी गोटे फिल्म ऑफर आसी बट मु जानिथि कि सेटा XYZ के भी करूची तो मु गोटे ऑफ कोर्स गोटे सेति कि मु भीतर रिस्पांसिबिलिटी थिबा दरकार बिकॉज़ बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस इंडस्ट्री कि कोन हेला एक्चुअली so
so I think if something affects you people should also care about it कि जदी जणो को किछु
it's not just me ना एटा आज जदी पूनम मिश्रा अछि काली ए चेयर रे काली आउ के थिबे काली तापन आउ के थिबे it's not always about पूनम मिश्रा
right but it's about an individual
someone
of course has gone through a lot to reach a point I totally get it all right so last minute rejection he gala next question is are people in the industry jealous of you because I come across aji hack he gala a account kali hack he gala say account why like
oh god
why does it happen
I really don't know मु जुआडे भी जाउची मते लोक मानकर गोटे कथा मोस्ट फॉलोड पर्सन ऑफ ओडिसा नवीन पटनायक गोटे भी अधिका मुझे लिसन आम सीएम सन को तो एटलीस्ट मो से दूर दूर तक कंपेयर करनी एंड आई डोंट नो मोर एते फैन फॉलोअर्स केमती हेले ठीक अच्छे माने लाइक मु थैंक यू सो मच बट सेटा तो माने जो लोक माने सेटा को नेगेटिवली नउछन मु तांको पे ऑफ कोर्स एटा कहउ चाहिबे कि मु तो दिस इज ऑर्गेनिकली सेटा मोर बॉडी ची एमती नो जे मु पैसा देखि बॉडी ची कि कोन करची सो सेटा लिप्सा माने मु जुआडे भी जाउची माने लोक माने गोटे लोक माने पॉजिटिवली कहउछन लाइक एज तमे जदी बे मते कहबो कि पूनम वाओ यू हैव गॉट सच अ फैन माने ह्यूज फैन फॉलोइंग या सो बट किछटा लोक गॉड पूनम एते फैन फॉलोअर्स केमिति माने मु लास्ट को डिसाइड कली जे मु कहिबी जे मु पैसे दीची एंड बढ़ेची सो ता परे मोर अकाउंट हैक हबा स्टार्ट हला माने इते खराब वे रे हैक हबा स्टार्ट हला जे माने मु बुझबी पालिनी इमिति रेट रे मोर कोन पे अकाउंट हैक होची 2 times 3 times एंड मु ता परे एंड ता परे एग्जैक्टली एबे रिसेंटली मोर अकाउंट हैक हला आई गॉट टू नो समवन फ्रॉम दिस इंडस्ट्री ओनली बट मु ताका ना भी नहीं परने
Don't tell me. Someone you know?
Yeah, of course. Someone very close. Not just close, someone very close to me.
Okay. So how do you deal with it? What if say लोको सामने रे आउथरे तमे गले how will you deal with it?
ए पर्यंत तो सामने को जाइनी बट जदी गली इन केस एंड आई नो कि मु जल्दी जिबी अच्छा जदी गली इन केस मु इनडायरेक्टली किछि तो गोटे हिंट देबी जे से लोकटा जानू जे पूनम मिश्रा is aware of this thing
that she or he has done right all right good luck to you let me know how all right so emiti gote movie Hollywood which you are happy that you didn't act in
आखी खोली देले तू या समथिंग लाइक दिस मते से मूवी विषय में जस्ट कहउथिली से मूवी रे माने मते गोटे अलग स्क्रिप्ट हे सुना जाइथिला ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट स्क्रिप्ट एंड मु मोहरे दिन जानली जे आउ गोटे हीरोइन भी अच्छी से मूवी रे सो मु ताको पचाली जे एटा केमती पॉसिबल हे पला बिकॉज़ मु पूरा स्क्रिप्ट आसे के सुनी छी एंड 2 days सुनी छी सो आउ गोटे हीरोइन केमती गोटे तार गोटे कोन गोटे चैनल आसे कि ना तार हम क्लिप्स नउचंती तार पादर इन ओडिया फिल्म से जतो नुवा हीरोइन स्टार्ट करे तार एमती पाद शॉट तार हाथ शॉट तार एमती करची से शॉट्स गुडा कि जे तार निया जाउची सो मु एमती ताको लिटरली देखु छी एंड एबे विजय अंकल नहांती हम पाखरे मु विजय अंकल वाज देयर सिटिंग बिसाइड मी आई आस्क्ड हिम अंकल कोन एटा को मामा एटा ओडिया इंडस्ट्री मु कहले हां जे बट अंकल मते गोटे स्क्रिप्ट ही अलग सुना जाई छी
राइट
माने गोटे हाँ एमती कहि पाथने कि आ गोटे कैरेक्टर अछि कि कोन मते गोटे ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट स्क्रिप्ट सो सेटा मूवीटा छाडिथिले एंड आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी कि मो से मूवीटा कलिनी
okay so no regrets not apologetic and happy that you didn't actually work for something that you didn't want all right so coming to stardom So, Poonam, we know you have a lot of followers, and Seth mein काफी तरह तो मैं account hack भी हुई. Alright. So, do you think stardom is addictive in general? माने as an artist, as an actress, as a very very popular face, do you think stardom is addictive? Like, what if you wake up without stardom tomorrow? How would it affect your life?
No, not really. Not really.
It'll be normal for you. You'll
Yeah,
be
normal for me.
Not
हाँ.
being the Poonam Mishra.
Hey, I was never the Poonam Mishra.
So that shows how down to earth you are. All right. So, Poonam, who is the fakest person you have ever come across in this industry or in your work place or something?
Don't ask me to name that person.
No, it's okay. Any name works.
Yeah.
Someone you worked with or someone you want to work with?
No.
That
Someone I've already
expression.
worked with. Of course, जब मैं कासे कामों करनी मैं तो किमती चिन्नी भी. Like I'm not that very friendly kind of girl कि I go party with everyone and everybody. So yeah.
So you're
I
trying to
worked
say that
with-
you're not friendly.
No, and not that friendly.
Not
Not
that
that friendly with everyone.
So you are
Yeah.
very close.
Yeah, very close.
All right. Okay. So how is Poonam Mishra?
How was Poonam Mishra?
How is Poonam Mishra
Okay.
now? How was she? And what is the change now? After all that things you have been through, काफी changes है जी that I can see already.
Oh yeah.
So what are the major changes? I would want my viewers to know.
Actually, I want you to tell me, please.
See, you sound way more confident.
No.
ठीक है? So you were like थोड़ी सी सहमी हुई the last time I met. No offense, but she was a little lost.
God,
But
oh
now you
God.
look. I mean, I think you know who you are. What brought that change actually?
ମୁଁ କହିଲା ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଲକଡାଉନ ରେ ମତେ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି କିଛି କିଛି ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କ ଚେହେରାଟା ଏତେ କ୍ଲିୟରଲି ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଲି ଆଣ୍ଡ ଲିପ୍ସା ଟ୍ରଷ୍ଟ ମି ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ବହୁତ ଅଧିକା ଟ୍ରଷ୍ଟ କରୁଥିଲି ବହୁତ ଅଧିକା
So your close group?
ୟା ଭେରି କ୍ଲୋଜ୍ ଗ୍ରୁପ୍
Okay.
ଆଣ୍ଡ ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କଲି ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ନଟ୍ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ଦିସ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ମୁଁ ବାହାରେ ବି ବହୁତ ଥର ମାନେ ସେମିତି ଗଡ୍ ମୁଁ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି କହିଲା ବେଳକୁ ହିଁ ମୁଁ ରହିଯାଉଛି ଏତେ ସାରା ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ସ ମୋର ସେଇଠି ଏତେ ସାରା
That
ସିଚୁଏସନ୍
shows how much hurt you are. So if we can actually send any message through this show, it has to be that how much it affects when you're
Actually,
close to
ମାନେ
someone.
if at all I am close to you. So ମୁଁ ଯାଇକି ଏବେ ତମ ପଛରେ ତମ ବିଷୟରେ ଗପିବା କି ତମ ବିଷୟରେ ବହୁତ ଖରାପ ଗପିବା and ତମକୁ ଯେମିତି harm ହବ like ମାନେ ଏମିତି କରିବି ଯେ ତମକୁ ବହୁତ କଷ୍ଟ ହବ ତମକୁ ମାନେ you will be like କି ଇଚ୍ଛା ହବ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବା ପାଇଁ
You're almost in tears, I can see that.
almost ଇଚ୍ଛା ହବ ତମକୁ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବା ପାଇଁ ସେମିତି ଆଟଲିଷ୍ଟ କାହା ପାଇଁ ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ କରିବା କଥା ନୁହଁ ଇଭେନ୍ ମୋ ଲାଇକ୍ ମୋର ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିରେ ଆସିବା 11 years ହେଇଗଲାଣି तो एबे सब बहुत नुआ जनरेशन इंडस्ट्री को आसुचंती लाइक मेनी ब्यूटीफुल टैलेंटेड गर्ल्स मेनी टैलेंटेड बॉयज सब आसुचंती तो से माने संगे आई एम वेरी फ्रेंडली लिप्सा से माने मते जेबे भी जहां भी पचारंती
It's
लाइक
because I know people love you. Even the artists love you. That's why I have a soft corner.
तो से माने मते जेबे भी पचारंती पूनम दीदी एटा पूनम दीदी सेटा मु भाबे कि से माने दे माने समवेयर दे नीड माय हेल्प सो मु सेटा तो आराम से खुशी रे हेल्प करी कि आ चलो एटलीस्ट मु काको हेल्प करी पाउची जदि मु करि परिबिनी आई शुड बी लाइक प्रिम एंड क्वाइट कि ना मते किछ आसेनी आई डोंट नो भूलभाल एडवाइस दबा भूलभाल लोक को लेकी चिन्हा करेबा ए सब गॉड
Not your forte, right?
नॉट माय कप ऑफ
So, for all your fan base, for the people who love you, like you, everyone wants to know: is Poonam Mishra single now?
या एब्सोल्युटली
Very
सिंगल
much.
एब्सोल्युटली सिंगल
Acha, okay. So you agree that you were mingled.
या
What is the worst rumored relationship you had been in?
I started my career 2011 and मते मोर डायरेक्टर के संगे लिंक अप कराई थिला
Director, like the first
हाँ
movie.
या
Okay.
2011 रे
That was fast.
so I was like oh wow what is happening ताकर झिया एक्चुअली मोटू 2 वर्ष बड़
Ouch.
so I was like कि माने फर्स्ट जेते को तुमको माने एबे कोन आई एम यूज्ड टू ऑल दिस थिंग्स
Right.
बट फर्स्ट तो बेते यूज्ड टू ही नथिबो एंड आई वाज वेरी न्यू टू दिस इंडस्ट्री सो माय रिएक्शन वाज लाइक कि मामा माने मामा पाखु मामा एटा कोन होउची तो मामा कोन मामा से को मामा चाहूतला जे मु न जाणु सेडा सब किछ होउची बट
अच्छा,
ऑफ कोर्स मु तो जानी ही भी मामा काय सेडा को मुंडरे पुरउची कोन दक्के सेडा मुंडरे परबा हमें जानचे हमें कोन हां एक्चुअली हमें जानचे हमें कोन
Right. The first link of director. Any actor you were linked to later?
Yeah, with Sambit.
Sambit.
Yeah.
Oh, he just got married. That
Yeah, I
was
just got it.
the
And I was the only actress जे तारा सबू अटेंड करची तारा एंगेजमेंट अटेंड करची तारा शादी रो माने जा बारात रे जेकी मु डांस करी छी तारा रिसेप्शन आई वाज देयर द होल डे आई वाज देयर एंड आई एम वेरी क्लोज टू संबित सो मते जे तो ता से जुड़ा गला आई वाज लाइक वाओ आई एम सुपर हैप्पी
So okay, that is the only actor link up here.
Yeah.
Right?
आउ बे हेची बहुत हेची एमते खाली जणे न हो
बहुत ऐसे है तुम कुछ 11 years
बहुत
of
हेची
career,
11 years of
just
career
short
yeah
names doesn't do
अमलान संगरे भी बोधे हेची
अच्छा. So what is the rumor that you enjoyed the most?
ए कहले अमलान संबित दे वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स तांक अभिषेक
संबित बारात रे तमे जाई कि नाची तो लोग काफी
ମୁଁ ତ ସେଇଠି ସେ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ କିଛି ଫରକ ପଡ଼ିବନି ଲୋକମାନେ ଭୁଲି ବି ଯାଇଥିବେ କହିକି ନା ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ତ ତାପରେ ବି ସେମାନେ ସେୟା ଭାବିଥିବେ ଯେ ବାରାତୀକୁ ଏଇ ଗୋଟେ ଆକ୍ଟ୍ରେସ୍ ଆସିଛି ମାନେ ଆର ପକ୍କା କିଛି ଥିବ
Acha, tell me, where do the rumors come from? Is it from the industry or it's from the fan and follower base?
no from this industry only
From the
person like you me everyone around
Okay. I'll think of a rumor that I can start about. All right, you know, it is fun.
actually you tell me ମାନେ ତମ ବିଷୟରେ ଗୋଟେ ବେଷ୍ଟ rumor କଣ ଯୋଉଟା କି ତମେ ଶୁଣିଛ ବାହାରୁ
I have said this publicly, काफी thorough. I'm a rumored lesbian actually.
ହଁ
Yeah, people have told me why. The reason being I don't go out with guys much.
okay
So I was like, okay, fun,
Okay,
nice.
okay.
So it affected me a lot. Huh? I went back home to my mom crying again. It's like, why? It's like,
why there is no rumors
yeah.
oh god
And mama was like, lesbian तो what? She's super cool. I was like, ठीक है, yeah, अगर हूँ भी तो I don't need to make a point. I don't need to prove myself. Right?
अरे हाँ ସେଇଟା ደግሞ इंडस्ट्री प्रॉब्लम राइट ଯଦି ତମେ
And
କୋଉ ଗୋଟେ କାହା ସାଙ୍ଗେ
talking of link ups, if you ask me, मेरी शादी 2-3 लोगों से हो चुकी है already according to rumors. So I get a call, अरे you're getting married. I was like, am I?
yeah
That's the question, am I? You know, like इससे शादी हो रही है तुम्हारी. So it turns out to be a light vendor, sound
please do
vendor,
come okay
supplement manager.
gifts के साथ आना
Exactly what मैं तो swiping machine लेके गई तुम कार्ड लेके आना. Alright, so here comes my favorite round, Poonam. You can see an amazing hamper from
Wow.
Oberoi Bakers and
Wow.
Cafe. So it's not yours as of now. Ticket time lagyo. You'll have to answer a few questions.
मतलब it was gift questions
Yes. So this round is called ceasefire. So more questions और answer तो मैं 70% दे जा रही हूँ. Until I say ceasefire, Poonam बहुत हो गया. That's when you get this
okay.
hamper. So I'll
Okay.
keep this for you. Lucrative enough.
okay
And this is presented by Oberoi Bakers and Cafe, the finest in town. Alright, ready?
yep
All right, so Poonam, ready for ceasefire?
Yep.
Questions are here. So jete कम time ना हो hamper रसिते पाखो बुझी पता मैं.
okay
All right, so your favorite Hollywood couple, on screen, off screen.
off screen no doubt Anima Barsha
Okay.
and on screen कहाँ संग रहे किए सब्बी अर्चिता
Okay, Sabya Archita. Done. Worst criticism ever. What is the worst criticism तुमको आज पर्यंत मिली थी?
most criticism वो भी सरे
काफी कम मिलती है, I'm sure बहुत भाभी हो.
actually आसुनी मो माइंड को वो भी सरे कौन criticism बहुत सारा अच्छी
तम favorite है.
ମୁଁ shit ପୁନମରେ ଗୋଟା କି ଛୋଟ ଗୋଟା କି ବଡ଼ ଯୋଉଟା ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଗୋଟେ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ବଟ୍ ସେଟା ମତେ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗେନି
अच्छा, okay. Best compliment you have come across? A lot.
you are very sweet you are very cute you are very humble you are very innocent
Tell me something new, something I know. All right. Your most favorite co-star, सबबुडु favorite co-star की with who you love working?
संबित
Sambit.
Yeah.
Right. Sambit ना काफी तरह अच्छी बात से.
ସିଏ ଭାଇ ମୋର ତାକୁ ସମ୍ବିତ ଭାଇ ଡାକୁଥିଲି ତାପରେ ଫିଲ୍ମ କଲା ପରେ ତାକୁ କହିଲେ କି ଭାଇ ଡାକିଲେ କାମ
Well,
କରିପାରିବେନି
that's what I'm talking about. Change in chemistry.
ତାକୁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂ ରୁ ମୁଁ ଭାଇ ହିଁ ଡାକୁଥିଲି 4 years 5 years ତାକୁ ଭାଇ ଡାକୁଥିଲି ଖାଲି ରାକ୍ଷୀ ବନ୍ଧା ବନ୍ଧି ହେଇନଥିଲୁ ବଟ୍ ଭାଇ ଡାକୁଥିଲି ତାକୁ ଏଥରକ ଭାବୁଛି ଏ shit ହଁ ନେକ୍ସଟ
All
ଇୟର
right. Next, your go-to person. खुशी थिले, sad थिले, excited थिले. Who's the person you go to?
मामा दीदी और माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड बबली
Okay. So, what is the worst controversy ever? We spoke about few rumors though.
Yeah.
सबबुडु खराब controversy which you didn't intend to be in but you were pulled in. What is it?
controversy I don't think so
Like both boring Poonam.
Actually.
All right. One thing you wish you could change about yourself. को गोटे जिनसे जोड़ा तुम wish करो जो you could change about yourself. What is it? Yeah. You should not let people affect you that much.
actually बहुत अधिक ही affect कर ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି actually ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ଏଟା ମୋର ଆଗରୁ ନଥିଲା ମୋର ଏଟା 12th class ରେ ହେଇଗଲା जोटे चॉक टे पकेला मो आखि ऊपर एंड
that
से
is
दिन
something
तू
it's
मोर गोटे
natural,
छोट गोटे बड़ हो गेला सो या
Okay. Ever been in a relationship that you regret?
यस
How many?
how many like I was in a relationship last maybe recently breakup ହେଇଛି recent ମାନେ 7 months 8 months ହେଇଗଲାଣି
No. No.
सर तुम ऑलरेडी सेफ पेज तो तुम देखि देइछो that night
That's
out
right. Oh, you're right. That's
so
It
yeah
wasn't just you going through a breakup then, was it?
yeah breakup night thila se na
Yeah,
mara
breakup night thila. So, you regret being in that
Yeah.
relationship, right? That one movie that made you who you are,
love master
Love Master.
Yeah.
Why do you like that movie so much?
first of all Chandi Paja was a director opposite रे बाबूशान थिला
Okay.
सेटा टिकी आंटी को फर्स्ट प्रोडक्शन रे माने ताको प्रोडक्शन हाउस रे फर्स्ट फिल्म थिला सो ऑल टुगेदर इट वाज बहुत हाई बजट फिल्म थिला विथ ए गुड स्टार कास्ट एंड एवरीबॉडी वाज देयर लाइक बहुत माने मिहिर अंकल टू आरंभ करी कि एवरीबॉडी वाज देयर मीना अंकल बहुत जना थिले स्टार कास्ट एंड से फिल्म टा एक्चुअली बहुत भलो हिची
Achha.
माने लोक माने ताको एक्सेप्टेंस लेवल टा लोक मानकर बहुत अधिक हिथिला से फिल्म पेंगा
Right. All right. So we see you very much active on social media, almost on all platforms, especially Instagram, because most of the basic time we spend करे. How many hours in a day do you spend on social?
एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन टा उल्टा कर दिया कि कितने टाइम तमे ताको यूज करनी फोन टाको
हाँ,
काना
केते time
फोन
तमे
यूज
actually
कला
use
माने इफ माने मते कि तमे तम फोन टा देई दबो मु आगो फेसबुक देख देबी आगो मु इंस्टा देख देबी मु तबरे व्हाट्सएप देख देबी सो इट्स बेटर कि मोटो मो फोन टा ही नहीं जा
हाँ, shoot पूर्व you just said 3 दिन पे मोटो के phone नहीं जा.
एक्चुअली कि नहीं जा 3 दिन पेगा फोन
Pictures केमते upload करिवो तुम fans केमते survive करिवो.
मोर पासवर्ड अछि मो भाई पाखरे तो सी कर दे परिबो
PR manager सांगे नहीं. Perfect. All right. So ever made a friend or a boyfriend through social media? Social media through के बे सांगा.
या फ्रेंड बनी छी बॉयफ्रेंड नो
नहीं. So boyfriends को source रहा संती दे.
बॉयफ्रेंड बनने बारा ही नहीं माने जो सोर्स रो आनितले सेटा तो केबे आनिनी
What is that source? Is that a secret?
नो नॉट सीक्रेट माने एमती बाय एनी चांस देखा ही गला एंड तापर ऑफ कोर्स ये जो
काहे के
सब
जानी सेमती
काई देखा ही तो लाइक
All right. So एमती जने actor जहाँ को सहित तुम्हें केबे काम करियो चाहो.
एमती जने के एक्टर
Or actress, anyone that you don't want to share the screen space with. A big no.
yeah there are many people
I can see the name on your face.
oh yeah
Say,
exactly
okay.
but I don't want to name
Okay, no problem. So I'm going to give 2 choices for 5 questions now. You
Yeah.
have to make a quick pick.
Yeah.
Drive na party.
drive
Marry someone you know or someone you don't.
someone I know
Someone you know.
Yeah.
Okay. Text or a call.
call
Single or taken? I know the answer.
Single.
Right. What do you prefer, drama or peace?
peace
Peace. Are you a drama queen by any
no
chance?
no not at all
घरे भी drama करो?
जम्मा नो
No tantrums.
ना एक्चुअली नहीं not at all
Actually, नहीं.
ना
Lucky mother, man. वो माँ जब सोनी बेटे शुद्ध I want a daughter like her. Would you actually cheat on someone or get cheated over? What would you prefer?
get cheated every time
You get cheated every time.
every time
Okay. Well, दिखे intelligent.
I have done
process
master
करो.
in it mastery कर दिछि मैं इथरे
It be doesn't affect you. Thick skin नहीं
no ये affect होनी इतने affect होनी
Alright. So expect the worst. Whatever comes.
yeah
your
yeah
way is good.
actually exactly
Okay. So what do you believe in? Finding your dream job or creating it?
creating it
Creating it. So did you create a dream job?
kind of doing working on it
Right. So what is the next closest goal that you want to achieve right now?
ଗୋଟେ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍ ମୋର ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିଥିଲି
Okay.
ଯେଉଁଟାକି ଚାଲିଥିଲା ଠିକ୍ ଠାକ୍ ଭଲ ଚାଲିଥିଲା ସେଟାକୁ ମୁଁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ଯେ ସେଟାକୁ ଲୋକମାନେ ଆହୁରି ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ପହଞ୍ଚୁ ସେଟା ଆହୁରି ଅଧିକା ରିଚ୍ ହଉ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଅଫକୋର୍ସ ସେଟା ଭଲ ଯାଉ
Of course. So working on the contents already.
ୟା
Forget the content. Ceasefire
Oh,
is yours, bro.
wow.
This is
Thank
yours.
you.
Congratulations, Poonam.
ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ